Want to remove the background from your video but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to do it. Each method works great for different types of videos, so you can pick the one that fits your project best. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First, download HitPaw Edimakor, a powerful video editor packed with tons of AI tools. If you don't have it yet, just click the link in the description below. Once it's installed, open it up. And let's jump right into the next step. Step 2. Remove the background. Click New Project, import your video, and drag it onto the timeline. Next, click Remove BG, then choose Auto Removal. Here you can select either Quick Mode or Advanced Mode. If you just need to remove a simple background, Quick Mode is your best choice since it processes faster. It's perfect for videos with simple scenes. Advanced Mode, on the other hand, gives you a cleaner cutout and more detailed rendering. Perfect for removing complex video backgrounds. It just takes a bit more time. Or if you want to remove a specific color from your video, you can use Chroma Key. It lets you erase any selected color, perfect for editing green screen footage. And if your background isn't green, no problem. Just grab the eyedropper tool and click on the color you want to remove. In all 3 methods, you can fine-tune your results by adjusting edge feathering and edge zoom for a smoother, more natural look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.